ninja to you, Bimtapa. All my ninja is connected to your channel already. Ayan. As Palangga TV, she got loads of banana. Yeah, connect to Palangga TV. She got extra banana, I think. If you watch the video of Bimtapa, if you watch the video of Palangga TV, he will give you banana. He got lots of banana. Have you got lots of banana, idol? Have you got lots of banana, idol Palangga? Ay. Thank you. Ayan. I'm watching your video, Bimtapa. And got lots of ads. And ads with ads. Thank you so much, ma'am. We are welcome. I'm watching your video with ads. Yan, eating rice. Eating rice. Delicious rice. Salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Nasa na niya itong buhok ng alkag niya. Rag-abat. Tamsak waray ng pangit kako. Ayan. Ayan. Pin muna natin si Palangga TV. Ayan. Please connect to Palangga TV, guys. Please connect to my member. Ayan, so check. Please go to channel of Palangga TV. Ayan, let's go. Connect channel tayo, guys. Go to channel tayo kay Palangga TV. Go to channel tayo. Puntahan ang channel ni Palangga TV. Ayan, magbakas. Leave your comments to Palangga TV in his video, then they will give you banana. Ang magbakas, bigyan ni Palangga ng banana. Marami yung banana si Palangga. Mga ano ata, 30. Marami yung banana plantation. If you watch his video, it will give you banana. Watch video of Palangga TV and they will give you banana. Ayan, nandito tayo sa bahay ni Palangga. Leave comments of his video and they will give you banana. Ayan, guys. Let's go to channel Palangga. Kuya Mura na. Let's connect tayo, guys. Ayan, nag-live din si Adventure. Lily Adventure, nag-live stream. Ayan, nandito tayo sa bahay ni Palangga TV, guys. Ayan, please connect tayo. Nandito tayo sa bahay ni Palangga TV. Ay. Namatay, naambak akong TV. Ay, phone.